concerned that the rectifier wasn't doing its job on this machine. It may not be on the other machine, I don't know. I'm at 14.5 roughly. Damn it. Stay on there so I can move the phone. Alright, let's do it this way. I'll do it like that. I need another hand. Damn it. Oh shit. I hope I didn't just fry that. I just touched the probe to the dumbass. I'm a dumbass. Touched the probe to the battery box accidentally. I think I just fried it. Shorted that out. God dang it. All that work. Because it's vibrating, pissed me off. You're a dumbass. You're a dumbass. Yeah, it's still showing 14.49. 14.48, 14.49. God, I'm not very smart sometimes. As of right now, until I short something out again. God. Alright, hear how that's idled up? Now, turn the engine fan on. I want to check something here real quick. I'm going to set the phone down so that I don't screw this up again. I want to see how much, if that changes anything where it's pulling. Just give me a second. Does pull it down. It puts a load on it, but still charging. And what my point to all that was is I thought that the fan might have killed my four-wheeler the other day when I was mowing. Now it still could have contributed to it because it gets hot. It's just not probably made to pull as hard as I do. That mower I pull is out of the farm. It's 450 pounds, and I'm pulling the weight of the four-wheeler with me on it, plus another 450 pounds. I can feel the air pulling. It's pulling good here. So I put a new spark plug in this. I'm going to turn the idle down a little more. When these things warm up, they'll just sit here and purr damn near forever. Now I'm not saying it's warmed up. It's a little bit lower. About right there when it's warmed up. Still pushing the juice. I don't see any leaks yet. I snugged everything up. I'm glad this oil is not leaking. I put 1.5 quarts in it. 15W40. Stupid about grounding that probe to the box, but I did. Probably isn't the most stupid thing I'll ever do, and it probably won't be the last. Another thing to watch for, this tube right here is some kind of an overflow from the carb. Something either gets stuff stuck in there or whatever, it sticks that open, and if you haven't run your machine for a while, it'll overflow out that port. Now since I've been running it, it quits. That's usually what happens. When I run it for a while, then it'll stop doing that. Somebody smarter than me probably knows what that is, but anyway, after you run the carb for a while, it's okay. Here's the wires. They had enough dielectric grease in there from before. I didn't put any extra in. Probably should have, but I didn't. Anyway, got red, white, green, and brown on that one. That's for your stator. And then this white one goes to the rectifier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the battery box. I'm going to drill a hole in the frame or tie into the frame somewhere and put an extra ground on that battery. So that's the next project. Now, we're going to play devil's advocate here. I'm going to shut it off, and then I'm going to try to start it again. It starts right back up. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's going, it's purring just like a kitten. So I had a pretty good idea it was that stator that was burned up. I don't know, I'm getting on average on a stator, but I use this machine like a tractor. I push snow with it, and I gotta hit this over here real quick. I gotta turn this radio off because it'll pick up that copyright. I hope it didn't pick that up. It might have though, in the background. Get demonetized. Well, I'm not even monetized, but if I ever did get monetized, I'll get demonetized for a copyright thing. The music I got playing in the background. Anyway, I use this thing like a tractor, and it's 25 years old. When it's working, it's a hell of a machine, I'll tell you that. It's a fantastic machine when it's working right. When it's not working right, it's a paperweight. So, as you can see, I got this 2 stators here. That's a whole nother kettle of fish. This is the old stator, and I got a stator for the 99 over here in the box. But anyway, I think we're back in business we'll see. So I got some other work to do. I know it wasn't as good as if I'd had a tripod set up and actually showed me doing the work. I'm not real good at editing, so I just record the whole video. Anyway, if you have to replace a stator on your 98 Grizzly 600, that's it. And a few other tips along the way. So thank you for watching. If I think of anything else, I'll make another video.